Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back today. We're in downtown Kato Paphos and we're going to take you on an evening walk because the moon, well, the moon is to die for. Have a look at that. Absolutely spectacular. So we're going to storm the Kato Paphos promenade the wrong way, but before we do, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the entire world, Miss Ochin Krasivia Labouf.
Hello everybody.
Go on, Labouf.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't stop now. He made me laugh. Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again. And again. Really.
And again. Stick with us. We're going to storm the Kato Paphos promenade. Most of you understand who he is. That's Mr. Hector doing a bad impersonation of Miss Ochin Krasivia Labouf. Greatest artist in the whole of downtown Kato Paphos. The moonlight and the vibe tonight is absolutely spectacular. So that's Mr. Hector. What does he do? There you go. Portraits and caricatures. Greatest artist in the whole of Paphos, possibly in the whole of Cyprus, definitely on the Kato Paphos promenade. Thanks, Mr. Hector. Thank you very much. You're a star. Absolute star. And I really like him as a friend. He's a nice guy. We've known him now for quite a long time, as you've come to understand. And we've got another friend just up from him. There he is, Mr. Chris. He's got his hair all nice. He's done he's even fluffed up his chest, for example. What does Mr. Chris do? Well, you probably understand Mr. Chris does various different types of sea sponges, and these sponges have been scientifically proven. That one's been dipped in water, and they absorb a lot of moisture and they hold it, unlike artificial sponges. And the idea is dab your forehead, dab the back of your neck, and it opens the pores and allows you to cool down in this rather hot climate indeed. So, Mr. Chris is a superstar. There he is. He's about to flog some of his sponges. He also does various other little gifts. And that's that man again, Mr. Hector. There we are. Thanks, Mr. Hector. Stick with us. We're going to get up the Kato Paphos promenade and we're going to show you what's going on a very, very busy night indeed. There we go. There's the harbour. So that means we are starting our trek up the Kato Paphos promenade the wrong way. Here we go. There's some of those little lighting art arrows coming back down. This is a shop where you can come and purchase them, if you understand. So they're like little helicopters is what they're known as, and they come with a catapult and you can buy them in various different colours. There they are. So you've got pink ones, green ones, yellow ones and blue ones. That young lady's having one. Which colour are you having? That one, pink. Wonderful. Do you know how to work it? Yes, you have fun. They're absolutely great fun. You fire them up into the sky and, well, here's a guy going to operate one now. Have a look at that. He's getting ready. Here we go. Look at that. Wow. And then they slowly float back. There we go. There goes another one. Great fun indeed. All littlies love them, and they're only $2.99 for the pack, which holds 3 darts. I suggest you buy 2 for €5 because unfortunately you are going to lose the odd dart as the evening goes on. Krasivia Labouf is off to catch one. There we go. Absolutely perfect. Thanks very much. Absolute star. So if you're looking to buy the helicopters, that's where you come, the Sea View, and that's next door to the last place on the block, which is the Harbour Restaurant Cafe. Mr. Collis, who's busy. Look at that. He's tattooing the life out of someone. There he is. There's Mr. Tattoo. And he's having a damn good tattoo. There we are. Look at that. There he is in full operation. So what they are is semi-permanent tattoos. They last between 10 and 14 days. Depends how much you wash, obviously. Now, the reason we've come to this night video is because we want to show you that. Have a look at that. That is the beautiful moon in the distance there with a slight golden glow across it. And it's a beautiful view, that's for sure.
I would like to say that the nightlife in Paphos, especially downtown Kato Paphos, it's very nice and fun. You know, it's so much life here that you will never get bored.
No, there's always something going on in downtown Kato Paphos. But this wonderful mix of vibe of different people, different nationalities, all wandering around, mixing, laughing, joking, eating and drinking and playing around. And there's even dogs. Have a look at that. Nice little puppy dog. Absolutely wonderful. You've got balloons for sale, yes?
And I think that the capital city of Cyprus, most of them are here.
Yeah, this time of year, what Crasiva is telling you is we are now at the peak season. So not only is every foreigner on the planet here, but every Cypriot has come down from the likes of Nicosia. Nicosia is like a ghost town at this time of year. They all leave Nicosia and they all come down to either Larnaca or Paphos. So Paphos is absolutely buzzing.
Because they don't have a seat.
Yes, New Gambaro on the block. There it is. That's the Captain's Bistro. We've made friends with them tonight and they've got a very, very busy restaurant, as you can see. Food's very, very good. So stick with us as we continue our trek up Kato Paphos Promenade the wrong way on a beautiful, beautiful Saturday evening and the sun in the sky. Oh, wow, it takes your breath away. Talented young lady. We have featured her before. She's all the way from Hungary and she is a talented musician, that's for sure. There's a calmness and a coolness to the music that she's playing. Now we've got a bunch of kids here who've got some of these little helicopter things, as we call them, and they're having a good play around with them. There goes another one. Look at that. Well, that's a very cheap night's entertainment. So if you've got one Littly or two Littlies, go and get yourself a bunch of them because you're going to have great, great fun. To be honest, I know the balloon mafia is probably going to kneecap me tomorrow morning, but I would buy those over the balloons. And you know what? It's even cheaper. Have a look at that. Kids everywhere playing with them. There's another one going to go up now. Once she gets the hang of it. She's going to launch it. Failed attempt. Never mind. There we are. That's the Mar Blanco Cafe, packed out as usual as we keep going up the Kato Paphos Promenade. Yep, you can see these darts or helicopters as they're called flying up and down in the sky. They're having a good night. There's one over there. There's 2 or 3 more over here. There's another one going up. This is definitely the toy to get, even if you're not a Littly. Even the adults like playing with them. There you go, this young lady's going to launch one now, straight up into the sky. Here we go. She's getting ready.
She's not done it before.
Let's watch this young... Oh! Come on, do it again. Go again. You'll get the hang of it. You'll get the hang of it. Yep. I want to see this young lady get the hang of it. That's it. She's going to get a lesson now. He's going to show her how to do it. Once she gets the hang of it, it'll be easy. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. There we go. You'll be on tomorrow night. Stop. Look at it. The whole promenade is alive. There's Littlies, there's biggies. Everyone is firing these darts up into the sky. Have a look at that. More. This is the superstar toy of the season, that is for sure. They are absolutely, wherever you look, they are absolutely everywhere. You see there?
The little boy is supposed to go to the sky, and then he hurt his finger. Poor one.
Yeah, the problem is, once you know how to do it, it's easy. But it's a question of getting your coordination right between the catapult and releasing them. This gentleman is trying to show his daughter again. There we go. So he's explaining to his daughter how you have to hold the little wings and then you let it go just as the catapult launches. Wow, excellent. Wonderful. Bomber. Absolutely fantastic. So once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy, that's for sure. But as I've said before, I suggest you buy 2 of them because you're probably going to lose the odd 1 or 2. There's the Baccarat restaurant. There's Gambaro number 1 there serving. That is Mr. Victor. He's in charge tonight. And as you can see, it's absolutely packed out. Receivia?
It's running like a lunatic,
Yeah.
by the way. Yeah, it's absolutely packed, and not only that Paphos restaurant, but all the restaurants and all the promenade. And also not only the children having a fun with these lighting things, even me, I would enjoy.
Yeah, I think it's a thing that transverses from young ones, or I'd say littlies, to big ones. Everyone can have great fun with them, but the purpose of this video tonight is to show you something that is beaming up in the sky, and as we get closer and closer and the lights behind us dim, hopefully you're going to grasp what we're able to grasp, because it's absolutely beautiful. Just out over the hotel road, should we say, by the Alexander the Great, the Annabelle Hotel, the Amara Hotel, is this beautiful moon, and it is shining tonight. Look at that, and it's absolutely glowing. It's glistening back across the ocean, and the only thing that glistens more than that